Hi, everybody. Welcome to the first episode of Manual Drift. My goal for the next 30 minutes is to talk in a monotone voice and help you fall asleep. Maybe you're awake, wishing you could fall asleep, but you haven't found something boring enough to cause you to fall asleep. Well, I encourage you to listen to the next 30 minutes where I will read the manual for the Stream Deck. Do you have an Elgato Stream Deck? Well, today I'm going to read the manual. So let's get started. The Elgato Stream Deck Quick Start Guide. Elgato Stream Deck is very simple to set up and use. This article reproduces the printed Elgato Stream Deck Quick Start Guide. There is also many articles available that describe how the software works in depth, including creating a folder, custom titles for actions, customizing key icons, game capture HD integration, mixer integration, OBS integration, preferences, system actions, Twitter integration, and Twitch.tv integration. Step 1. Connect Stream Deck. Step 1. Connect Stream Deck directly to a USB port on your PC or Mac. Do not use a USB hub. Connect Stream Deck directly to a USB port on your PC or Mac. Again, do not use a USB hub. Step 2. Download Stream Deck app. Download and install the Stream Deck app, available at https://www.elgato.com/gaming/download. Step 3. Launch and customize Stream Deck. Launch the app to customize Stream Deck. Drag action from the right panel and drop them onto the desired keys on the left. Step 4. Use custom icons. Configure your actions and personalize keys with custom actions. Use pixels 72 by 72, JPEG or PNG files to achieve best results. Step 5. Create folders. Drag and hold one key over another to create a folder. Tap the back key to exit a folder and return to your main configuration. Step 6. Right-click keys to modify. Right-click keys to copy, delete, or reset them. Step 7. Use Stream Deck stand. Prop Stream Deck on the included stand and adjust the legs for optimum access. Step 8. Use social media accounts. Enter your social media accounts in the preferences to connect with your fans. Let's learn more about Elgato Stream Deck plugins. With the advent of version 4.0 of our Stream Deck software, we released the Stream Deck SDK. This allows the community to create their own functionality and integrations with the Stream Deck. More information on the Stream Deck SDK can be found here at https://developer.elgato.com/stream-deck/SDK/overview/. We also have a community subreddit for discussions about the SDK and plugin system at https://www.reddit.com/r/Stream Deck SDK. We wanted to showcase some of our plugins already available on our Stream Deck plugin gallery, so you can access all of these plugins by clicking on the store icon at the top right of your Stream Deck. Not all plugins are available cross-platform. Some may be Windows or Mac specific. We'll try to make it clear for each. CPU. CPU developed by Elgato Gaming, available for Windows and Mac. A simple single button which will display the average CPU utilization over all cores of your system. It updates once per second. Pressing the button does not provide any function. It is purely for display, though you can adjust the color, font, size, and position of the text in the button. Analog clock. Analog clock developed by Elgato Gaming, available for Windows and Mac. While both technically an analog and digital clock, the plugin called Analog Clock will show the current time reported by the computer. It will show the hour, minute, and second hands, but also has live updated text over the top of the button showing the time in number form. Just like normal text on a button, this text overlay can be moved to the bottom, center, or top, be made different sizes, fonts, colors, etc. The analog clock face has various color schemes like blue, red, white, green, and more. Pressing the button provides no functionality. It is purely for display. Counter. Counter, developed by Elgato Gaming, available for Windows and Mac. Counter is a quick and simple plugin which will count up for every press on the button. If you're wanting to count how many times you reset in a speed run from getting stuck behind an NPC, instead of asking your live stream chat or writing it down, just hit this button. Like before, the live updated text can be adjusted like any other text on a button. Memory Game. Memory Game developed by Elgato Gaming. Available for Windows and Mac. Memory Game creates a new profile on your Stream Deck with 7 pairs of matching icons. Pressing on a button will reveal what is behind it briefly, and you know the rest. Perfect if you need to kill some time while waiting in queue for a match. Features images of our lovely products. Endless fun. Icons and placement of icons randomized each time you solve the whole puzzle or you switch to a different profile. Or you can press on the top left button to reset. Mic Mute. Mic Mute, developed by Fred Emmett. Available for Windows. This handy plugin lets you create a button that will mute your system's default communications input audio device, not the default input. This mutes it on the system level, not within the streaming software you're using. Audio output. Audio output developed by Fred Emmett. Available for Windows. The first button is Toggle Audio Device. This plugin allows you to switch between 2 output devices or 2 input devices. If you have headphones on your computer and set of speakers, you could use this button to switch your system between them without needing to into any menus or disconnecting any devices. The second button added in this plugin is Set Audio Device. If you work with many audio devices, but always want a specific device to be made the default on demand, this button can do it. Select if you wish to control input or output. Choose the device and you. Stopwatch. Stopwatch, developed by Bar Raider. Available for Windows. This simple plugin provides a button to start and stop a counter, provides the seconds, minutes, and hours, can be set to pause and resume, or can be set to reset on each press. Like other text, the counting numbers can be changed in size, location, font, color, etc. Shadowplay. Shadowplay, developed by Bar Raider. Available for Windows. This plugin provides extensive controls over how Shadowplay functions. saves time versus manually making hotkey controls for these functions. With this plugin, you can switch between custom overlay layouts, stop or start recording, save the last 5 minutes of your recording, control push to talk, or control individual elements of your shadow play overlay. Not only that, each button has a custom thumbnail. No more guessing which hotkey you needed to use in the middle of a match. Voice meter integration. Voice meter integration developed by BarRaider, available for Windows. This plugin is quite advanced in how it controls voice meter. With this, you can create various controls and set points for your audio mixing. You can start out with a basic toggle or push mute for both hardware inputs and bus sliders. This is the voice meter mute, unmute button. You also have a powerful voice meter modify setting button. With this, you can set a function for a short press and long press. An example use case would be you want to drop the volume of music to better read out a donation. You can create a button which is set to strip 1, which may be connected to your music application. Set the parameter to gain and then set the value to 12. Set long press back to your normal level, such as 5. With one button, you can switch between these two levels. The plugin also includes other specific buttons for more script-based controls for advanced use. This plugin allows you to easily create toggled thumbnails and custom text. As time goes on, we'll update this article with more information on the plugins available through our Stream Deck software. If you have any questions about our Stream Deck SDK, feel free to look at our SDK documentation at https://developer.elgato.com/SDK/SDK/overview/ Elgato Stream Deck multi-actions. If you think tapping a key to execute an action is impressive, you will love multi-actions. That's right. Assign as many actions as you want to a single key, and then activate them all with a tap. One by one, separated by intervals, or together simultaneously. Example: start your stream. Wait a minute. Tweet you are live. Welcome your chat. Play your intro sequence and unmute your mic, all with one press. Please note, multi-actions are in Elgato Stream Deck software version 3.1 and higher. Multi-actions. Get started. Go to the Stream Deck section of the actions list and choose multi-action. Drag it to your canvas and you will be given more options via this special window. Then you can choose as many actions from the actions list as you like. For example, you could tell Elgato Game Capture software to do the following: start recording, start live commentary, start streaming. Please note, you cannot nest a multi-action within another multi-action. Multi-action delays. Delays are quite useful when constructing multi-actions. Go to the Stream Deck section of the actions list and choose delay. Drag it to your open multi-action window. You can choose as many delays as you want. They are measured in milliseconds. For example, you could tell Elgato Game Capture software to do the following: start recording, delay for 1 second, start live commentary, delay for 1 second, start streaming. And now, let's look at some other information about this Stream Deck software. How about the Stream Deck audio claim dispute form? The Stream Deck audio claim dispute form. With Stream Deck, you can easily add high-quality music to your content on any platform, such as a stream introduction or intermission, with absolute peace of mind. Thousands of tracks across all popular genres can be incorporated into streamed or VOD content royalty-free. Sometimes, audio in your content may still get claimed by a third party, even though you have the right to use the audio. To help resolve accidental or false claims, we've launched a claim dispute form. Fill in the required details and the claimant will be notified to release the claim. Elgato Stream Deck use music and sound effects with Wavelink. This guide will go over how to play back music and sound effects from Stream Deck through Wavelink. Stream Deck features royalty-free music and sound effects that can be added to any content. Wavelink makes adding music and sound effects to live or recorded content easy and gives maximum control over audio levels. Requirements: Stream Deck 5.0 or later, Wavelink software, Elgato Wave product to enable the Wavelink software. Setup: To begin, add music or sound effects to a key. Learn more how to add music or sound effects in these guides: Music, Sound Effects. Open the Wavelink software. Add a new channel and select either music, sound effects, or both, depending on which you want to play back through Wavelink and Stream Deck. For this guide, we'll add both music and sound effects. Now, go back to the Stream Deck app and select the key which you want to play through the music or sound effects Wavelink channel. At the bottom of the key's property inspector, click on the output drop-down menu and select the Wavelink channel the audio will play back through. Now, when the key is pressed, the audio will play back through the selected channel in Wavelink and output to both the monitor mix and stream mix. To balance the audio levels, use the monitor mix or stream mix faders to control the playback level for each mix independently. By playing music through the Wavelink music channel and sound effects through the Wavelink sound effects channel, you have total control over the volume and mute status at all times, with one not affecting the other. Elgato Stream Deck system actions, including hotkey, file open, web URL, and media controls. Elgato Stream Deck is easy to set up and use. This article goes over the custom actions that are available for use with files and applications in Windows or Mac OS. System Action Website. Websites let you open a website in default web browser for your OS. When you create this action, enter the web address, URL, and file access or file address, URL, that you wish to visit. System action hotkey switch. Hotkey switch lets you choose a specific hotkey and also toggle it on and off. The hotkey may be associated with a command in an application or your OS. Hotkey switch works best with one hotkey that has two states. For example, one hotkey that starts and stops a certain activity using the same command. If your hotkey involves holding down more than one key at the same time, then you can enter one key at a time to ensure that the hotkey is not invoked accidentally at the time of creation. For example, Control R may start recording or stop recording. To make sure you don't stop recording accidentally, try this when creating your hotkey. Press Control first, then let go of that key. Press R second, and then let go of that key. Now your hotkey will be Control R. System Action Hotkey. Hotkeys let you assign a special hotkey. It may be associated with a command in an application or your OS. Once you choose this hotkey, it will be immediately activated. If your hotkey involves holding down more than one key at the same time, then you can enter one key at a time to ensure that the hotkey is not invoked accidentally at the time of creation. For example, Control Q may quit a program. To make sure you don't quit something accidentally, try this when creating your hotkey. Press Control first, then let go of that key. Press Q second and let go of that key. Now your hotkey will be Control Q. This video goes into more depth about hotkey creation. System Action Open. Open lets you open an application or file in your OS. When you create this action, select the application or file that you wish to open. If you choose to open a file, the application that your OS associates with that file will also launch. That may be a different application than the one that created the file. Please note, if you want to open a shell script, create a .sh file containing the script. Use the open action in Stream Deck to choose the desired .sh file. System Action Multimedia. Multimedia lets you control the default media player in your OS. When you create this action, select the specific command you wish to invoke. Previous track, play or pause, next track, stop, mute, increase volume, decrease volume. Each of these commands will have a different icon associated with it. If you like, you can make a folder in Stream Deck that contains many actions, each one selecting a different multimedia command. That way, you'll have easy access to a full set of commands from one interface. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed your time. I hope you're asleep. If you have suggestions for future manuals you would like me to read to put you to sleep, please let me know in the comments. Have a great night.